Most traders think a market structure shift is just price breaking a high or a low. It is not. And that one mistake is why they get stopped out over and over on setup that look perfect. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how a market structure shift looks like and the one filter that makes it actually work. And quick thing, PDF for this episode is inside the description and inside the Discord. All the slides, frameworks, all free. This is episode 2 of the trader pyramid. We are in phase 1. No time to waste. Let's go. So here's the problem. Most traders just see a high and a low. And the second it breaks it, they think, yes, that's the structure shift and let's go. And they get stopped out immediately. And what you actually need are the following steps. And the first step is the liquidity sweep. Price runs to a key level. And a key level can be a session high or low, like Asia, London, or New York, or a daily or weekly high and low. But there needs to be some form of stops getting hunted first. That is the trigger. And watch closely what happens after. Because the single best filter you can use for a market structure shift is displacement. An aggressive move in the opposite direction. If you first go lower, we sweep sell side. Boom, we need energetic moves upwards. Leaving imbalances, fair value gaps. And there's inversion fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. But there is displacement. But how can you identify the actual shift in structure? That is when the last swing high that made the low, that made the move for the low, is broken with this green candle. That confirms the shift. If you want to trade on that, just like you've seen in episode 1 with the 10 a.m. game, your entry is going to be in a fair value gap. There's also an inversion fair value gap where you can take your entry, but let's just stick with a fair value gap. Your stop loss below the fair value gap or below a low. And if price closes through it right here, then your whole trade idea is invalid. So don't move your stops. Be okay with taking the loss if it hits that area. And your target needs to be the next liquidity level, in this case, previous high of the London session. Just set your trade and let it run. So there's a liquidity sweep, there's displacement. The last swing high that made the low is broken right here. That move left a fair value gap, entry there. Stop below the low, target a high, and there you have your trade. And here we're looking at NASDAQ at the 15-minute chart during the New York Open. And there's a 15-minute bullish fair value gap sitting down here. And now let's drop from the 15-minute time frame to the 1 minute. Here's the last swing high that made the low. There is a inversion fair value gap and a fair value gap, but we're still waiting for the structure shift. This is already looking very good. Another fair value gap, and we are about to close above the last swing high. We tap into it, and here if you close, there is where we can get in. Where to? Next obvious target is this high. Stop below the fair value gap, and let's go. We left behind equal highs after a very clean push, and then in the PM session we pushed to take profit by just waiting for the market structure shift. So the one thing I want you to take away from this, and it's very important, a market structure shift without displacement is fake. Don't trust a market structure shift without displacement. The displacement is everything, this energetic move. That tells you big money is involved. That's what makes the fair value gap in it worth trading. No displacement, no trade. Simple. And now we build the second part of the technicals layer of the trader pyramid. PDF for this episode is inside the description. The checklist, all the rules for free. Discord link is also in the description with daily outlooks, live setups, and more free education. And if this video helped, like it, share it with a trading friend, and subscribe with the notification bell on so you don't miss any of the 35 episodes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.